creating superior products based on professional die casting. Dongguan ENCHUANG Precision Hardware Technology Company Limited was founded in 2010. In more than 10 years of consistent exploration and hard work, we are committed to creating a one-stop solution for electronic hardware components and constantly improving our R&D, design, and automatic manufacturing capabilities of high-end precision aluminum alloy and zinc alloy die casting parts. We have two wholly owned subsidiaries, that is, Hubei ENCHUANG Intelligent Technology Company Limited and Fosun International Enterprise Company Limited. As a high-tech enterprise in Guangdong Province, we are now working together with our global customers to create a bright future. Innovative research and development. We have built a professional mold design and manufacturing team. Most of our engineers have more than 15 years' experience in die casting mold design and manufacturing. Therefore, we can achieve new process development and product optimization, make customized high-precision and high-stability molds, and ensure that each product demonstrates excellent effects. But now, with approval of Dongguan Engineering Technology Research Center, we have established a Precision Die Casting Research Center, Quality and Intelligent Manufacturing, to improve product quality and production efficiency. We have introduced a series of high-end equipment, such as high-speed die casting machines with ABB mechanical arms, CCD automatic inspection machines for small die castings, and automatic packaging machines for small die castings, etc., which enables us to use high-speed die casting technology to realize high-precision control, easier and transfer intelligent operation, and lower energy consumption, and automatic polishing, automatic thread sleeve assembly, automatic tapping, and other automatic production processes have also been achieved. Quality is the foundation of enterprise, so we strictly implement IATF 16949, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 management systems. And we use advanced inspection technologies and equipment for strict testing of the products. We keep our quality commitments from production, inspection to protective packaging, and devote ourselves to providing customers with safe, reliable, and environmentally friendly products. Overall global planning. We have been constantly enriching our product line. Our high-quality products have satisfied domestic market demands and have been exported to international markets like Europe, America, Japan, and South Korea. Our products are applied to auto parts, artificial intelligence, thermal modules, industrial automation, security and protection, smart home, rail traffic, medical devices, energy storage, and other industries. Help people to achieve success with love and shape the future with professionalism. Adhering to the philosophy of creating superior products based on professional die casting and acting as a global electronic hardware components supplier, ENCHUANG Precision Hardware Technology will create a bright future with its global customers.